Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I plan on replacing the oil filter housing gasket, and I plan on cleaning out the idle control valve, because as you can tell from the last video, the car was idling pretty rough in the lower RPMs. I got the gasket off, and it was super brittle, and it snapped in these two places. I mean, here it's still a little pliable, but those two places just snapped, so I hope that's why it was leaking oil. I mean, as you can see there, well, that's from where I was taking it off in the excess oil, but there's like buildup back here before, so I hope that's mainly where it was leaking from. Alright guys, so now I've got everything cleaned up a bit. I do have the new gasket installed. And all this, it's not perfect. I cleaned it up a bit. I mean, there was oil spill all on that from where I took this one off. So got that cleaned up a bit. Alright, so I'm taking it apart to clean the ICV now, and I can already tell what the problem is here, is that this hose that connects to the ICV, it's just completely shot. It's old. Alright, so I've got the ICV out now. You can see the hose to it. It's just shot. You can definitely use a cleaning too, so I mean, I'm not bummed that I had to take it out, because it honestly wasn't that hard to get out. It's mainly just maneuvering it from under there and past the throttle body was like the only hard part, but it still wasn't that difficult. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this now. Alright, so it's about a week later, but I finally got all of the hoses and ducts that I needed. So here's the new air intake duct for the alternator. Let's see. Got the hose that goes to the idle control valve and the new intake boot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw all this back together. All right, so I've got everything hooked back up again. Got the new boot put on, new idle control valve hose, and see if it starts up and if it has any idle issues. All right, let's start up the car now, see if that fixed our rough idle issue. So it's idling better than it was before the hose. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.